Oh, it's so pretty out there. It's clear 84 on today's KTTS with Michael Ray.
My name's Matt Sukhavati. I don't know exactly when I started baling hay, but my first job was when I was 7 years old. I was raking hay. That was my first tractor job. When I started at 7 years old till, I'm 39 now, things have changed quite a bit. Today, a lot of times I do the whole process by myself.
A mostly sunny day in the Ozarks with a high temperature of 90 degrees. Tonight's day mainly clear and 66. How about Saturday and Sunday? Mostly sunny skies with highs right around 91.
The typical day in a hayfield is never typical, and it's never the same. Just everything goes wrong. Rocks. Then you got sometimes the hay won't dry down. Then you got rain coming in. And then sometimes the hay gets wet, and then you got to deal with that. When you start to round bale, I can go through and round bale, and sometimes, if things are going good, I can round bale sometimes a bale a minute, just cruising on, Most of the time I average, about 40 an hour. Every day is different, every field's different. You just keep on going, fix what needs fixed, and just keep plugging until it's all done. The sun goes down, if you got most of it done, that can wait, and then you quit, and have some dinner and start on it again the next day.